Hi, how you doing, dear friends of our channel and Maps Iga in Valley? Let's hope you are doing great. Here we have a question of this kind, where we are asked to find the value of x that we make least varied. Okay, before starting, I want to remind you to subscribe on our channel. Your likes, your comments, and your shares are the most important. And I want you to know that we have a TikTok account where we post questions like this. Let's now start with our question. Do not miss. Okay. Yeah. Let's start by transformation, because here we have the power of 9, but here the power of 3. We do want to convert this to the power of 3. Okay. Here is x plus 1 over 2 power 3 again power 3 plus x minus 1 over 2 power 3 again raised to 3. This is x power 3 plus 3x over 4 power 3. Okay, let's assume this to be a. Assume this to be a. Assume x plus 1 over 2 power 3 is equal to a, and b is equal to this, x minus 1 over 2 power 3. You know that a plus b power 3, this is a power 3 plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b power 3, while a minus b raised to 3, this is a raised to 3 minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b power 3. Okay, as you see here, what I'm going to do is to sum a and b. Sum up a and b. Here is a plus b is equal to x plus 1 over 2 power 3 plus x minus 1 over 2 power 3. This is a plus b is equal to, when powering a rational function, what we do, we power the numerator and denominator at the same time. We have x plus 1 power 3 over 2 power 3 plus x minus 1 power 3 over 2 power 3. Here a plus b is equal. Explaining this using this formula, where x stands for a and 1 stands for b, is, we know 2 power 3 is 1 over 8. Here is 1 over 8. Explain this, we have x power 3 plus 3 x squared times 1. It will stay like this. It will stay like this. Plus 3x, where 1 is here, 1 power 2 is 1, and add 1, plus here is 1 over 8. Explain this using this formula, because here is minus, as here is minus. This is x power 3 minus 3 x squared times 1, because our x stands for a and minus 1 stands for b. Okay, plus 3, we are here, x times 1, which is x minus 1, as this here. This is a plus b. Okay, a plus b here is equal to because we have a factor of 1 over 8. Let's factorize 1 over 8 into, here we have x power 3 plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Let's add this, plus x power 3 negative 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. As you see, here a plus b is equal, this 3x squared and this negative 3x squared will vanish to 0. This means this plus this is 0. Here we have 1 minus 1, which is 0. This and this will vanish to 0. Here we have 1 over 8 into x power 3 plus x power 3. This is 2x power 3. Okay. This plus 6x. As you see, divide everywhere by 2. We have here by 2 is x power 3 plus here by 2 is 3x over 8 by 2, that is 4. This is to say a plus b is equal to x power 3 plus 3x over 4. Okay. Because we assume this to be a, this to be a, and this to be b, let's come back here where we have a power 3 plus, here will be a power 3, and this is b. All of this we have b power 3, and this is equal to, as you see, this value is this stuff inside is this, and this is equal to a plus b. Okay, here is a plus b power 3. Okay, let's now explain this. We have a power 3, as you see, plus b power 3, and this is equal, this was written here is the same as this. Here is a power 3 plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b power 3. This and this have the same signs and opposite sides. Okay, this means this will vanish with this and this vanish with this. What can I do here? Here we stay with 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. This is 0. Divide everywhere by, yes, dividing everywhere by 3. What do you have? We have a squared b plus ab squared, which is 0. Let's factorize by ab, as you see. Factorize by ab, we have ab into b plus a. This is 0. Okay. This to be 0 means this can be 0 or this 0. We have ab can be 0, all this a plus b, b0. And we know that a is this. You see, a is this. Okay, this means as we are here, oh here, we are here. We are at ab into a plus b, which is 0. This is to say our a is this, as you see, is x plus 1 over 2 altogether power 3 plus solely times b. Our b is this. We have x minus 1 over 2 power 3, and a plus b is this: x power 3 plus 3x over 4, and this is 0. As you see here, we have three questions, the product of three equations, all three functions. Okay, as you see, this can be 0, this can be 0, and this can be 0. So here, x minus 1, plus 1 over 2 power 3, which is 0, pouring everywhere by 1 over 3, we have x plus 1 over 3, which is, over 2, which is 0. Here, crossing multiplication, we have x plus 1, which is 0, and x is equal to minus 1. This is one of the values of x that will make this to be valid. Okay, let's try this. We have x minus 1 over 2 power 3, which is 0. Powering both sides by 1 over 3, we stay with x minus 1 over 2. This is 0. Crossing multiplication, we have x minus 1, which is 0, and our x here is equal to 1. Here is another solution. And you have this. We have also this. We have x power 3 plus 3x over 4, which is 0. As you see, I can cross multiplication to get 0. We have x power 3. So let me factorize by x here. X squared plus 3, which is 0. Here x can be 0, or as you see here, this is a complex function. X squared plus 3, this is 0. We know that x squared will be minus 3, and the square root of a negative number does not exist in real, but it exists in complex. Okay, taking the square root, here x is equal to plus or minus the square root, the square root of 3I squared, because in complex I squared is minus 1. Here x is equal to plus or minus root 3I. Here I, therefore, all 5. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 answers. Okay, here is the answer. The answer is this one, this which is 0, and this. Thank you for being with us. Before leaving, I want you to subscribe on our channel. Your likes, your comments and share are very important. And I want you to know that we have a TikTok account where we post our questions. Thank you. May God be with you all the time.